Welcome to the DTS726D Wi-Fi 3-phase energy meter installation, commissioning and operation video guide. Before getting started, be sure to turn off the power supply and wear insulated gloves and protective goggles. Required tools include an electric screwdriver, cable lugs, wires of the correct specification, wire strippers, and crimping pliers. Before beginning installation, carefully inspect the product for any visible damage. Confirm that the selected 3-phase Wi-Fi energy meter specification matches the intended operating conditions, and select a suitable mounting location. Installation: align the top of the product with the upper edge of the DIN rail. Then use a flathead screwdriver to gently release the latch at the lower end. Press down on the lower end of the product to ensure it clicks securely into place on the rail. To remove the meter, use a flathead screwdriver to release the latch at the lower end. Then lift the lower end of the product upward to detach it from the rail. Before wiring, select the cable with the appropriate cross-sectional area based on the product's rated current. Using wire strippers, carefully strip 9 to 11 mm of insulation from the copper conductor to expose the correct length. Then use crimping pliers to firmly crimp the cable lugs, ensuring a reliable connection. Remove the terminal cover. Two wiring configurations are available. Option 1, terminals 1, 3, 5, incoming supply, L1, L2, L3. Terminals 2, 4, 6, outgoing supply, L1, L2, L3. Terminal 7, neutral. Option 2, terminals 2, 4, 6, incoming supply, L1, L2, L3. Terminals 1, 3, 5, outgoing supply, L1, L2, L3. Terminal 7, neutral. Use an electric screwdriver to tighten all terminal screws, ensuring secure and stable cable connections. Before powering on, verify that all connections are correct. Once powered on, the indicator light will illuminate and the display will show the measured parameters, confirming normal operation. Press and hold the down button for 10 seconds until the Wi-Fi indicator flashes, then connect the device via the mobile app. If any issues arise, please refer to the troubleshooting guide, which provides diagnostic methods and solutions for common faults. For more information, visit console.com or get in touch with us on social media.